how do you fulfill the orders if I was to test it on AliExpress?
Got it. So if you were to test on AliExpress, every time you get a order, option one, you could sync Oberlo to your Shopify store.
Yeah.
That's the first option, and then you
I,
could sync the once you install Oberlo, you can add the AliExpress link to this product that you've already made.
okay.
Actually, let's try figure out together now if you want. Let's go ahead and
Sure.
install Oberlo.
Okay.
And after you install it, we want to go to AliExpress and find the link to the product.
Is it this one?
Yes.
Okay, I gotta create an account.
So let's go on the left side, click on products. Let's see if your products show up. Click on the bottom left-hand corner, click settings. Click the drop down on your Danny Wang, yeah. Okay, nothing is there. Go back to home, your top left-hand corner. Okay, step one, in order to start selling, you have to have a Shopify store. Start your free, yep, you already did that. Export products, find us help, import, okay, click, there, done. Import products to your shop, no, you already have that. Let's go to AliExpress and look for the product.
I think there was only like one. I could only find one of it. So
That means pretty untapped then, which is good. Nathan, when you found that product, was it also this hard to find, or was it many?
Yeah, there was like maybe two or
There,
three
found one.
a couple of weeks ago when I was playing it.
Scroll up a bit, Danny. I think you just passed one. It was on the left-hand side.
oh here. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's really cheap, $1.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then you can definitely drop ship this, and it has shipping from all these countries.
I found another one that had like 1,000 sold.
Oh, even better.
Yeah.
So we'll do this for now, and then when you can find the other one, you can switch it out. It's pretty easy, but let's copy this link.
How do I copy it?
In the URL, copy the URL. Actually.
Oh, yep.
And let's go back to Oberlo. Go to import list maybe on the left-hand side. Click add products by URL. Perfect. Add product.
Do I need the ID?
You should be fine for now. Let's give this a try. Okay. Click the drop down on more actions. Click select product to override. Click search products. Click the drop down. Or maybe search the name of your product. Maybe you named it Ferb. Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, perfect. So overriding the product will delete all of its variants and replace them with the variants overriding product by default, the title description. Okay. Override the title. The existing product title will be replaced with, okay, so you don't want to override any of those two. When you click override, your variants and pricing might change.
Oh, yeah.
You can re-edit that, but now your product will be linked to this AliExpress listing. So you can repeat this process with the other one you found with 1,000 orders. And that's how you connect your product to AliExpress through Oberlo.
Okay. And how do I fulfill those the orders? So if someone purchases through my store.
Perfect. So when someone purchases it, it's going to pop up on Oberlo, and go to the fulfillment module. If you go to the fulfillment module, you'll see it happen, and then I could walk you through it on one of these calls as well.
Okay, cool. Thank you for that. So should I just override everything and then change the...
Probably don't override things to keep current photo and description.
Okay. All right, cool. So I just cancel?
If you want to connect it with this AliExpress link, you can click override. If you want to find the other AliExpress link, repeat that process with the other AliExpress link.
Oh, okay. Do I override with the other AliExpress link?
You do.
Okay.
But you don't check those boxes.
Okay. All right, understand. Thank you.